Hello, I'm Marco, and today I would like to introduce a game, Fibonacci Nim. Right, here is the winning strategy. Actually, this Nim is makes use of the second-order theorem. It states that every positive integers can be represented uniquely as a sum of one or more distinct Fibonacci numbers, in such a way that the sum does not include any two consecutive Fibonacci numbers. And this means here is the list of Fibonacci sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on. And here example, we take 100 as an example. It can be represented as 89 plus 8 plus 3, 89 here, 8 here, 3 here, and it is not consecutive, and therefore it can say that it is satisfy the second-order expansion. But however, when we take a look at 2 plus 1 here, you can see it is next to them, and then 55 and 34 also is next to, and is not an second-order expansion here. And here's the winning strategy about the Nim and limit and the remainder. If the limit is greater than or equal to remainder, then you can win immediately because you can take all the remaining coins at once. And there is two rules we have to bear in mind. The first rule is that from every position satisfies second-order expansion, some move can produce an uncomfortable position. Uncomfortable position means that the position that cannot satisfy the second-order expansion. And rule 2, from every uncomfortable position, all moves leads to position that satisfy second-order expansion. And we can say that satisfy the second-order expansion is the comfortable position. And you take a look at the example of the root 1. If 11 is satisfied the second-order expansion because 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Yeah, but however, if we took it at most, we move 3 counters here and result in 10, 9, and 8. 10 and 9 also satisfy second-order expansion, but however 8 cannot, and we call that 8 is uncomfortable position. And for 13 is uncomfortable position also, but you can remove utmost 4 counters here and producing 11, 12, 11, 10, and 9, and these 4 numbers are comfortable position. Therefore, if you want to win, you have to stay in the position that is comfortable, that satisfies second-order expansion, in order to produce a disadvantageous situation for the opponents here. And bear in mind that there is a simple calculation to limit your move, because you may let your opponent win at once if you pick a larger number of moves. And obviously that if you are the first player and the first number is 13, basically you lost if your opponent doesn't make any mistakes, because your opponents can always give you a disadvantage situation. But however, you are first player and the first one is 11, then obviously you can win if you do not make any mistakes. And here is the Nim game. With 11 here, 11 is 8 plus 3, and we move the 3 here, resulting in 8, right? And then 6 here, and we can represent at 5 plus 1, and we move 1 here, and then 2 here, and then 4 here, and 4 can represent at 3 plus 1, and then finally 2 Irene. Hope you guys enjoy the videos.